So if these are the coordinate points on the function f, what would the coordinate points be on the function f inverse? What would you have to do? What's the inverse function do? Functions take what? X's to y. So what does the inverse function do? Take y's back to x's. So if negative 2 goes to negative 2, what does the inverse function do? Takes negative 2 back to negative 2. If 0 goes to negative 1, what does the inverse function do? Negative 1 goes back to 0. If 1 goes to 0, the inverse takes it to 0 goes back to 1. If 2 goes to 1/2, then the inverse does what? 1/2 to 2. Those are the coordinate points on the inverse. If x goes to y, the inverse takes y back to x. So, negative 2, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 1/2, 2, just connect the dots. This is a graph of f inverse. Now notice that here's the line x equal y. X equal y goes right up through the middle. So we say it's a mirror image across the line x equal y. It should be, because what have we done? We have flipped x and y. So what's going to happen is it's going to be an image across x equal y. Inverse.